System modeling has been performed by most transmission companies during the last 15 years. In addition, current distribution facilities have been in place for the last 60 years, and there are an unknown number of undocumented National Electrical Safety Code violations on the system and very few line sections supported with a professional engineer's seal and signature. This video will demonstrate how system modeling can be used to comply with state registration and licensing requirements and establish best practices in the electric distribution industry. Cooperatives and professional engineers are required to comply with state registration and licensing laws and federal regulations when it comes to engineering. All state registration and licensing laws require professional engineers to apply their seal and signature to all final designs that require ice and wind load calculations and where facilities are exposed to the public. Federal law supports this with Federal Regulation 1724.4, which states the RUS borrower shall ensure that all selected professional engineers meet the applicable registration and licensing requirements of the states in which the facilities will be located. Lastly, states and Federal Regulation 1724.50 requires compliance with the National Electrical Safety Code. States require engineering and National Electrical Safety Code calculation results to be included in the final design submittal for a professional engineer's review and approval. System modeling uses existing GIS data and cooperative-defined standards and design criteria to produce engineering design documents for each line section or dead-end to dead-end installation. The engineering design document is then used to develop best practices in distribution line design by creating profile drawings for each line section, all required line design and National Electrical Safety Code calculation results for each pole location, and a list of all existing National Electrical Safety Code violations. The professional line design software produces an engineering report that documents all required line design and National Electrical Safety Code calculation results, which includes the professional engineer's approval date, ruling span and loaded design tensions, and various strength and clearance calculations. The engineering report also displays calculation results for 2 vertical ground clearances along each span and guide scheme calculation results for line section dead end and bisector locations and 2 tap lines at each pole location. All calculation results can be displayed on a GIS overlay for long-term documentation. Documenting all calculation results for each pole location is a best practice in distribution line design. The engineering design document also produces profile drawings for each line section. The profile drawings are drawn to 1 scale, and the cooperative has the option to receive the profile drawings or the XY coordinate data. Profile drawings are the best practice in the industry and can be displayed on a GIS overlay. Most cooperatives have a few thousand miles of overhead distribution power lines that include very few documented profile drawings, National Electrical Safety Code calculation results, safety code violations, and professional engineers approved designs with seal and signature. The system modeling program using the professional line design software not only improves the integrity of your engineering environment and achieves best practice in the distribution line design industry, but also complies with your state registration and licensing laws.